The Hunter Fib 0393 ceiling fan features a sleek design that complements a variety of home styles, making it a versatile choice for modern interiors. Equipped with energy-efficient LED lights, this fan allows you to adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambiance in any room. With its powerful yet quiet motor, the fan ensures optimal air circulation, enhancing comfort in both summer and winter seasons. The fan's adjustable mounting system offers flexibility in installation, accommodating standard, low, or angled ceilings with ease. Included remote control provides convenient operation, allowing you to change fan speeds and light settings from anywhere in the room. Designed with a reversible motor, this fan adapts to seasonal needs, providing cool airflow in summer and aiding warmth in winter.